Hey guys, one of the most common things that you guys are doing out there is installing bigger wheels and tires on your truck. Well, also, one of the most common issues you're going to have with that is that your tires are probably going to end up rubbing on your inner fenders, kind of like it does here on our Tacoma. So we're going to show you how to install a leveling kit. Now, unlike a lift kit that lifts the both front and rear, a leveling kit just levels out the front of the truck. So the easiest way to show you guys how to do that is to simply install it on the Tacoma. With our truck sitting on the ground, we're going to put a mark on the fender flare at about 40 inches. That way we can see how much height we gain. For this truck, the first step is to remove the upper ball joint off the spindle. The next step is to remove the 3 nuts that hold the spring plate on. Make sure you only loosen these 3 nuts. Do not loosen the center nut, because bad things could happen. With the strut loose, we move to the bottom to remove the bolt that holds it to the lower control arm. Now, we went to summitracing.com and picked up their leveling kit for our Tacoma. And it comes with everything you need to put the kit on there. It's got a couple of lift blocks, some studs to go onto the spring plate, and all the hardware. And installation's pretty simple. And that starts with applying some thread locker that comes with the kit. And then thread on the 3 supplied stud extensions. Now, these don't need to be a specific torque, just get them good and tight. With those installed, the supplied urethane strut spacer slides right into place. And it's as simple as that. Now, all we have to do is reinstall this back in the truck, set the truck on the ground, and see how much height we gain. And there you go. Looks like we picked up about 2 inches. Now, if you're going to be installing this kit on your truck in your driveway, it's going to take you a couple of hours. And make sure you follow the instructions for the kit that fits in your vehicle. Well, once you're all done, your truck will be sitting right back where it should be.